10 signs you're smarter than you think. Most people go through life never realizing how sharp their mind truly is. Intelligence isn't always loud, confident, or obvious. Sometimes it hides behind quiet habits, deep thoughts, and small things you do without even noticing. If these traits sound familiar, you might just be smarter than you ever gave yourself credit for. 1. You talk to yourself. 2. You stay up late. 3. You love being alone. 4. You overthink deeply. 5. You question everything. 6. You notice small details. 7. You get bored with shallow talk. 8. You doubt yourself often. 9. You empathize easily. 10. You adapt quickly.